Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a fascinating field that's rapidly transforming our world. At its core, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These systems are designed to think, learn, and adapt, mimicking the way we process information. But how does it actually work? AI operates through algorithms, which are sets of rules or instructions that guide the machine in making decisions. These algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and making predictions. For instance, when you use a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa, it processes your speech, understands your intent, and responds accordingly. This is AI in action, utilizing natural language processing to interact with us in a way that feels intuitive. Now, let's talk about some everyday examples of AI that you might not even realize you're using. Think about Netflix recommendations. The platform analyzes your viewing habits and suggests shows you might like based on your preferences. Similarly, when you shop online, AI algorithms track your behavior to personalize your shopping experience, showing you products tailored to your interests. Even social media platforms use AI to curate your feed, ensuring you see content that resonates with you. If you're considering a career in AI, there are several key skills you'll need to develop. First and foremost, a strong foundation in mathematics and statistics is crucial, as these are the building blocks of algorithms. Programming skills, particularly in languages like Python and R, are also essential, as they allow you to create and manipulate AI models. Additionally, understanding machine learning concepts, such as supervised and unsupervised learning, will give you a significant advantage. Finally, soft skills like problem solving and critical thinking are vital, as they enable you to tackle complex challenges in innovative ways. Looking ahead, the future of AI is both exciting and a bit daunting. We're already seeing advancements in areas like autonomous vehicles and healthcare, where AI can analyze medical data to assist in diagnosis. However, with these advancements come ethical considerations. Questions about privacy, job displacement, and the potential for bias in AI systems are critical discussions we need to engage in as we move forward. In summary, AI is not just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that's reshaping our lives. By understanding its fundamentals, recognizing its applications, and preparing for the skills needed in this field, we can navigate the complexities of this technology and harness its potential for a better future.